Good morning, sir.
Morning, Vaishnavi. Please wait for some time. Let others join.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Good morning, Ritesh. Ritesh, Vaishnavi, call your friends where they are. No one has joined today.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Hello everyone, good morning. So today's strength is very less. Is 10 a.m. is very early.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Only 6 people joined yet. Please call your friends and ask to join.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So we'll start it in 2 minutes. At 10:15 we will start. We cannot wait so much time.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so hello everyone, let's start. Vansh, can you share your screen? If your network,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
internet is good, please share your screen.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Is my screen visible,
Yes,
everyone?
yes,
Okay,
it is visible.
okay, sir.
So yesterday, I think 3 queries are left.
Mm,
We need to address that.
Okay, sir.
Yesterday, who was
Yes,
presenting?
Sarishita.
Ishita is there? Oh, she's
No,
No,
not
sir.
sir.
there. I think from in this last 2 or 3 was pending. 2 or 3
In basic
queries.
concepts.
Uh, Vaishnavi, I think from here,
Yes, redirect. Status was redirect.
sending a JSON response.
Oh, 1 second, I'm just telling you.
Okay, okay.
A URL, the redirect to specified URL,
Okay.
new
Uh,
URL.
sending response. I think this is
So yeah, from here.
redirect. Okay, okay.
Yes.
There is an example
Yes,
how
yes,
to
Vansh, you
implement.
can start. Yeah.
Okay, sir. How to implement redirection to a new URL in an Express.js application. Okay, so this is the given JavaScript code here, in which we are importing Express library and creating its app instance. Now we are using the app.get method to redirect this, and through response.redirect we are providing the email, and this app is listening on port number 3000, where we will on the browser we can see console.log, which will provide the server is running on this port. So let's run. So here we can see in our code we are getting access from slash redirect, and when we go to our localhost colon 3000 and then we just give that redirect get method. So here it is come example, this domain is for use in illustrative example in document. more information. S- Okay, so here is the URL we are going on. Everyone have run this? We redirect to example.com. As we can
Yes,
see,
Manish, it's done.
okay, so this is what this example is all about. We have to go to a new URL using our get method. Okay, so Vaishnavi, you have run it?
Yes,
Okay,
Manish.
okay. Anyone anyone if he is facing some issue?
No, Vansh.
Okay. So now let's move to the next example. Rendering views with template engine. So here is an example of how you can use the resolve.render method in Express.js to render views using a template engine. So here it's uh, importing the Express library and path. Now we have created an app instance of Express. Now we are setting app.set view engine EJS. Is it the same? Yes. Okay, so let's copy this code. We will move to our VS Code section, saving this file. Okay, it's on render. Okay, so now we have to put here render. Error cannot find module EJS. We have to also declare an EJS in our path section. It I have to cannot find module EJS. What have we? Yeah, here is how we can requiring path join directory name views express render. So uh any one of you has executed this, Vaishnavi, Ritesh?
It's showing error. I've shared what it's coming on my screen.
Okay, same. Yes, I am also getting this. It is saying that EJS module is not there.
Yes.
Okay, so we have to first. Ritesh, have you done it?
Not yet.
Okay.
Can
So
you
let's.
share the code in chat box?
Yes. Just a minute, Ritesh. Okay. So let's resolve this one using chat GPT. This one. create the views folder in the same directory as your script. Create a folder named views. Okay, so we have to create a folder first. Here's I have to create a folder views. In this folder, we have to create a file index.js, index.ejs. Index.ejs, and the content over here is this. Okay, now what we have to do, run the servers. We should see. Okay, wait. Let me clear my screen. Okay, so node app.js, I'm running this. Okay, then this, and it is redirect render. Was no render. Still getting the same. Is my index.ejs not saved properly, or what?
Vansh, please
Huh?
put your EJS file inside the node module.
Inside
Node module.
index.ejs.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Okay, here it comes. Index.ejs. This is the content here. This I saved. Anything else?
Try
I think
this
I have
one.
done.
Okay. Just a minute. Let us check if it's working or not. No. So Ritesh, you can share your screen and show us how we can do it.
I think you should create a views directory because you are just using. Let me share my screen first.
Okay, okay, okay. Wait a
Yeah,
minute.
you
Let
are
me.
setting view engine, so you should have a views directory in your My Express app. So I have just created a views directory here, this
Yes.
folder, and inside this I have written index.ejs.
Okay.
In which just I have just put in the HTML boilerplate and set here H1 heading saying hello,
Hmm.
and which we are accessing using app set views, and we are joining our path directory name views. That's why we have created a views folder here. And
Okay.
inside that we have put our EJS file, which we are rendering it here. We have
Okay.
response.render index. And as we know that it is rendering a EJS file, that's why we have created index.ejs inside it. We
Okay.
can give any name here, just like any name here, and the same name will be here.
Okay. Now let me run this once because I have done the same, but it's not working for me.
I think you have created views folder inside node module.
No, actually, after Vaishnavi said that, I created in. Wait, just a minute.
Because it was not working outside, so I said that we should try inside.
Share your screen, I think.
Okay, okay, 1 minute. So let me create here views. Okay, in views, index.ejs. My screen is visible.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
Vansh.
This EJS template is. I've saved this file now. Let me go to my app.ejs. Here it is also index. Okay, let me save this also. Okay, server is running here. If we go to the render, no, I'm getting same
In mine also it's getting same. No change has been.
views folder.
Have you installed EJS?
Oh
No.
yes, no, that was not installed, I guess.
Just write npm I EJS. It will install EJS.
Okay, so let's see, is it working now? I have to run the file once again. App.js, then going to this, then rendering it. Okay, now it's working.
Okay.
Yes, so we have to create a views folder in our Express directory, then inside it index.ejs, which contains some HTML. And now we have to just install EJS package. So we are using a Node Package Manager installed EJS, and after installing it, it's working well. Okay. Everyone has done it?
Yes, Vansh.
Okay. Okay. Abhinandan, Rupam, Vishal, everyone.
Yes, yes.
Artika, have you done it?
Yes, done.
Okay, okay. Now let's move to next example. Sending a file response. So how can we send a file via response? Here is an example demonstrating how to send a file response using express.js. This example serves a specific file from a given path when a particular route is accessed. So what we are doing here, first of all, we are importing our express library and also our path library. Now creating an instance of express using express function. Now getting app.get file, which will get the file from our directory, and example file name is, like for example, our file name is example.pdf, and it will render it. Okay, so we have to create a file here also. I'm going to app.jsx. So what we have to do, we have to create a directory name, and in this I have to give .txt, example.txt. Okay, so my app 2 minutes, 1 minute, guys. Okay, what is it? app.get/file. Sending file. Error is coming. File sent successfully if the path is right. Here in our index images, what we are doing. Okay.
Once just make a file example.pdf in your
I have created example.pdf.
outside the
Okay.
views.
No, inside the view.
Okay, please now run it.
I have run it, but it's not.
Make it outside the view.
Make it outside. Okay. Wait. Let me delete it. Views folder. Now, what I have to do, I have to create a file which is example.pdf and I okay it. Now let me run. Okay. So if we are doing /file here, fail to load PDF document.
Because it is empty. That's
Okay,
why
okay. Yes. Okay, now so it's running. What we have to do, actually we have to create example.pdf in the same folder as app.js. So when we create this, and now if we are getting it through /file get method, so it will show us the file. Actually it's an empty file, so it's not showing anything here. But if we put some content in it, then it will work properly. Okay. Everyone got it?
yes, Vansh.
Okay. Okay. So now let's move to the next example. Sending file response is done. So it's done. Now we have to cover the next part. Express.js environment variables. Okay, so we have to start this now.
Yes, Vansh.
Yes, Vansh, please start, continue.
What are environment variables? Environment variable are pair of keys and values stored outside the application code. Actually, they are the pair of keys and their values which are stored outside application code. They allow dynamic configuration without modifying the source code. They are commonly used for database credentials, API keys, and application settings. What is database credentials? Define host name, username, and password securely. API keys store secret for third-party service, and application settings configure port number and environment modes dynamically. In Node.js, you can access environment variable using process.env. Now, setting up of environment variable in Express.js. Express doesn't automatically load environment variable for files. You need the .env package to manage them easily. So actually, if we want to hide something like our API keys, Gen AI keys, so in that case, we can use the .env files. So there we can hide our content from, for example, if we have to put our whole code on GitHub. So what we can do, we will put our password secret codes in env file and then put the repository on GitHub. So it will be protected from public. We only can see that, no one other can see that. So this is what .env does. So install .env package, run this command in your project. So we all have to install this. So everyone try on their setup to install .env package. Okay. Now I am going to install. Okay, so our .env is installed. Now we will create a .env file. Create a env file in your project's root directory and define environment variable. Okay. So let me create first the env file. Punch.env. And what it's saying, create a env file in your project's root directory and define environment variables. Application setting, environment development, localhost host, database password.
Once your mic is off.
No, actually, in my area, some construction is going on, so that's why I've off, off my mic.
Okay.
Yes.
Vansh, we cannot hear you. You are on mute.
Actually, sir, some construction is going there in my street,
Okay,
so
okay,
that's why I
okay.
off my mic. Yes.
I don't think there is any noise from your
Okay,
end.
sir. So, sir, is I am visible properly? Oh,
Yeah,
sorry, sir.
you are
Matlab,
visible and audible
audible.
also. Yes,
Okay,
yes,
okay,
both.
sir. Okay, sir. Okay, so what we are doing, we have to just first install .env file. Now, we have to create a .env file in our VS Code as I created here, bunch.env. So you can give any name, whatever you want to. Now, after that, it will contain port number, default port number, anyone on which you want to host your site, your host name, environment development, environment equal to development, your database in your database like localhost root, password, and database name. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to load environment variable. We have to go to our app.js file. I in my app.js file, I am requiring .env config. So what it will do, it will load our .env file. Now const express equal to require express, importing express library, creating its app instance. Now const port equal to process.env.port. Actually, what it will do, it will go to my let me change this name to process. Okay, so what it will do, it will go to process.env and whatever port number is there, like 3001, uh, I have changed it to, for example, I've created it to 3001. It will access that. And when we go to our hosted website, it will console us server is running on port. So whatever port in process CNV we have given, it will provide us in the console. So let's try to execute this. So as we can see, our output is server is running on port 3001. So server is running on. How this variable port is converted into 3001? Because it has read our process.env file, which is here, and in which I have given the port to 3001. So Everyone have executed this?
Yes,
Yes.
Okay. So this is what .env file do. We just put our credentials, which is important to that library, and that will access it. You can access environment variable anywhere in your Express application uses process.env, console.log database host environment. Like if I want to see this, let me run this. What it's saying? Console environment mode process.env missing. It process.env.environment not, it's not working actually. It's environment process.env. Now let's move to using variable with conditional logic. Use the environment variable to adjust application behavior. Here, const environment equal to process.env.environment. And if environment is strictly equivalent to development, console.log debug mode enabled, else production mode active. So it's conditional logic. Let's try to run this. So as you can see in our process.env, we have initialize environment is equal to development. Okay, so in our app.jss, we are checking that is environment is assigned to development. So as that was there in process.env, so we will get the output as debug mode enabled. And here we can see it is there, debug mode enabled. Okay. This is the basic one. I think everyone has done it.
Yes, Vansh.
Okay. Now, organizing configuration in a separate file. So we have to create a separate file here to keep your code organized. Store configuration setting in config.js. What we will do? Okay. What we will do? We will create a separate file here in our same directory. Let me cross it. Okay, so config.js. Okay. Now, in our config.js, we will copy, paste this code, we save the file, and what we'll have to do in our app.js, we will accessing config. We have imported this file in our app.js const config equal to require config. And what we are doing, we are consoling the uh, values put it here in this file. Okay, so let's try to run this. Okay, so as you can see in app.js, we haven't provided the port number and DB host. But what you can see here in output, the port number is 3000 and the DB host is local host. So where this information is coming from? Actually, we have imported the file config. So as we can see in our config, we have provided the port number 3000 and our local host process is local host. Okay, so from there we are getting it. Everyone run it. Hello, everyone.
Yes, Vash, it's done.
Okay. So now let's move to the next example. Best practice for using environment variable. Do not commit .env to Git. Okay. Add env to Git ignore to prevent exposure sensitive data. Actually, as we can see, the data is very crucial in env file. So it is saying that instead of committing .env file, we will have to commit .git ignore file, which will be hidden from and no one can see our sensitive or important data. Okay. Now manually create the env file on the server if using a .env file. Okay. So here, after deployment, set secure permission, use default value for missing variable. Ensure your app does not break if an environment variable is missing. Okay. Now, the .env. Okay, so that's it from env. Use a env example file or reference. Create a .env example file with placeholders to help developers understand the required environment variable. Your port is given your host, username, password. Okay, so this one is also done. Now let's move to routing. Okay, so what is routing? Routing in Express.js defines URL patterns, endpoints, and links them with specific action or resource within your web application. It allows user to navigate your application based on URLs. Express use app object to define route. Syntax app.method, path, and placeholder, which is handler here. Each route consists of three parts. Actually, a path is consist of three things, which are method, path, and handler. Method specific the HTTP request method. Actually, method will be out of these four: get method, post method, put method, or delete method. Path defines the URL pattern for the route, like slash about slash contact. This is under path. Now handler, the function that is executed when a route is matched. It typically sends a response back to the client. Basic routing with GET request. Okay, so we have learned about CRUD operations last in tomorrow yesterday section. So now let's use this GET here. Here is an example showing basic routing with GET request. So this is our code. What we are doing, we are importing Express as always, now creating its app instance. Okay, it will listening to the port 3000 as we have already declared the port equal to 3000. Now the get method will receive a callback method which have request and resolve as the argument. And what we are sending, welcome to the home page. If the get method is accessed, what we will get, about us. Okay, and it is for forward slash, and when we put localhost colon forward slash contact, so we will get contact us. So run this code in our app.js. It will give us a clear idea. Okay. Let me go to my app.js, control it, control. Node.js. Okay, so localhost 3000 is showing me an output of welcome to the home page. So how it's coming? Because as you can see here, the port localhost 3000 is listening to app.get forward slash, which has res.send welcome to the home page. So that's why we are seeing the that output. Now, if I do it slash about, like if I put here forward slash and about, so the output will be changed and it becomes about us. So here we can see when we go to about, it is consoling about us. Now, same if we do slash contact, it will give us contact us. So I am changing it about to contact. Okay. Now, as we can see here, we got contact us. So this is how we can get access the get method from our browser. Okay.
Okay, Vansh.
Okay, so explanation, as we can see here, the root route handles get request for the root URL. When a request is received at this URL, the handler function sends welcome to the home page as a response, as we have seen earlier. The about route handles get request for the about URL. When a get request is made to slash about, the handler function sends about us. And when we will do for slash contact, we are seeing the output as contact us. So this is what the get is all about, get method. Now, Express.js parameters. Okay. Understanding route parameters in Express.js. In Express.js, route parameters are part of the URL defined to capture dynamic values. These parameters are specified in the route path by prefixing a colon before the parameter name. When a request is made to a route that includes parameter, Express.js extracts these values and makes them available in the require.params object. Implementing root parameter in express.js. To define a root parameter, we use a colon before parameter name. Or here is an example. Importing the library, creating an instance. Now app.get. Okay, so I think we have done this yesterday. Is it different or we have done it?
No, Vansh, it's different.
This is different. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So let's copy this code. And
These are parameters. Yesterday we have done middleware.
Yes, one.
what?
These are the parameters, routing
Okay.
parameters, and yesterday we have done the middleware.
Okay. Okay, so let's run this code also. Okay, so now let me go to colon 3000. Localhost 1000, and where it is listing it. Okay, slash user. Okay, so I have to slash user and giving it any number. So here we can see it is user ID. It will give me error rate.
It's users.
Yes, it is giving users. Let me node app.js. The server is running on port 300. Okay, let me go to localhost 3000, and then here users slash 123. Okay, so we can see when we are passing users and ID, it will provide us output in the required form. User ID, and then whichever I have provided here 123. So that's it. Okay, now it's done. In the above example, when a user visits user/1001, the application responds with user and ID. The required.parameter.user ID retrieves the value from the URL and make it available. So what we are doing, we are getting these values from the URL we are providing. So that's where request.parameter is used. Multiple root parameters. You can define multiple parameters in a single root. Okay, this is same. What we are doing, we are just defining multiple parameters. Like here, users 123 slash I post 123. So this too will console. Okay, let's do this also so that everyone get. Or do I run it or you get it?
Yes, once we get it.
We
Okay,
get
okay. Okay. Handling optional root parameters. There may be cases when a root parameter is not always required. Express.js supports optional root parameters by appending a question mark to the parameter's name. Okay. App.get not always required. App.get section. Let me change my app.get section. So what is it saying? That if there is a question mark after a parameter, what it means that it is not necessary that we have to pass it all the time when we are going in our browser. So let's see this how it will work. What is this user's ID? Okay. So type of it expected. Why is it showing error? Where express, I haven't used anything. Why I'm getting this error?
Mine also is getting error.
Why this is throwing an error? App.get. Okay. No post ID provided, user ID. Wait, why are we getting this error? Let me copy this. And
Once remove the question mark.
but we have to
First,
learn about this now. It will be the same. No, nothing is saved. Okay, I haven't saved the file. Wait. Okay, but I have removed the question mark from here. Okay. Good. Let me go to my server. User ID slash post slash 234 enter. Okay. So if we are providing posts and after that also ID, it is coming. Now let's see what if there was a question mark. So we will not provide it anything. Okay, no, this is not working after that. Oh. One four slash post only. No.
it's
If
not.
we are removing the question mark from here, it is not working as the required example that if we don't pass the provide the ID, it will also show us default ID.
Okay.
Yes. As we can see here, it is saying that in the above example, visiting users /101/post, we will re respond with user ID 101, post ID, no post ID. As we are not provided the question mark, so it is not showing us no post ID, it is showing us still post ID. Okay, so this is what this example is all about. Using regular expression with root parameters. Express.js also provide the facility to use regular expressions to define more flexible. Regular expressions is like this. We have to select randomly between A to Z and small a to Z. So based on that, it will give us uh, what we have required. Okay. So in the above the root category, this is it. Express.js root handlers. Now, an Express.js root
Once
handler.
please wait as I'm executing code.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
Everyone also trying to execute their code.
Yes, Vansh.
Okay.
Vansh, can you please explain that environment variable code?
Which one? Which is written in my VS Code?
Yes.
Actually, it's not working.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Ritesh, Vaishnavi, or any other one, have you done it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Ritesh, can please you share your screen and show us how?
It's Sandeep, not Rupesh. Sandeep
What?
has executed. Sandeep has executed.
Okay, okay, Sandeep. So please you share your code.
It is one.
Not this one. The next code.
Next code.
Yes, yes.
I try. This code.
Let me paste
Vansh,
in the chat.
Yes, hello.
this code. We try.
Actually, Sandeep, this code
That
is little
environment
bit
variable.
different.
Okay, okay. I think my code, this code run. So then I speak.
Okay, okay.
No problem, Sandeep. I think I have sent the code. Once we were executing this code, which I have sent in the chat box.
ये वाला ट्राई करना है
Yes, yes,
जो चैट
Sandeep.
बॉक्स में आया है क्या?
Yes, yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Guys, I have run it. Let me show.
I've shared my output screen. Please check.
Yes, Vaishnavi, we have to change the dependency.
Yes,
Yes. Vaishnavi, are you telling them or may I share my screen?
share your screen. You're telling.
Oh, okay, guys. So the issue is with this app.get, what we are using here is category and this regular expression. So we have the latest express dependency installed with npm installed express, but this is an older version which support that. So here we can see in your package.json library you have express 5 point something version, and that's why we are not able to run that code. So what we will do, we will install npm install express at the rate 4, which means I will install the library which have older version to run this code. Okay, so if you run this command, your package.json dependency will change to this, and now you just simply have to do no space app.js and this will run. And you have so let's try to run this. First you will install npm install express at the rate 4. But for executing this code, we only need this because we have to be updated. Npm install express, which will provide us updated libraries, is our main uh, dependency. So if you want to install the older version, you can, but if you only want to see how this will work, so you can see on my screen, uh, and don't change your package.json dependency. So whatever you want, you can do that. If you want, I can show you running this program, how we will run it.
Yes, please show it.
Okay, so what I am doing, I just go to node app.js. Uh, Here what I will do, I have to pass category slash whatever I want from small a to z to capital A to Z. So for example, I have put it the, so here category, the whatever you want, it will show you. Okay. So I suggest not to install the older version because it will change your package.json as we are moving forward in this course. So we will need the updated version. So try to understand this by only the running code and not change your dependency. Okay.
Actually, once I have not installed app express at the rate for 4. I've done
Okay.
it on same only.
Which
Just I've changed the code.
okay, you changed the code.
Yes,
Okay, you modified the code. Okay, okay.
yes.
Okay, okay. So let me first.
Can I share the modified code in the chat?
Yes, 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 you can.
Okay, I've shared the code in the chat box. I just added the if condition in it so that it's running.
Okay, okay. So this code is the updated one and it's running for same version of Express.
Yes, you don't
Okay.
need to check the version.
Okay, okay, okay. So
Please everyone try this. It's running on their system or not.
okay. Let's try to run this solution. And here, 1 minute, I have to uninstall this. Install press the rate full. Press. Okay, now simply just run it. 324, 300. Query slash impacting. Okay, so it's also running.
Okay, Vansh.
So we have provided dot test also in this. Okay, so if it is within A to Z, then only, and we have used caret expression also here. Okay, so everyone has executed it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So let's move
Yes.
forward. Our next topic is Express.js route handlers. What is route handler? An Express.js route handler is a function that determines how the application responds to client requests at a particular endpoint. The endpoint is defined by a URL path and an HTTP method. HTTP method will be get, post, put, delete. Okay, now defining route for different HTTP methods. Express.js allows you to define route handlers for various HTTP methods. Below are example of handling common HTTP requests like get, post, put, and delete. Handling get requests. Okay, now we will see how we will handle the get request. You use a get request to retrieve data from server. Why is get method used? To retrieve data from server. Here is an example how we can handle the get request. Okay, so I will copy this code, and here also for two different get request, we will get two different output. For example, if we go to localhost colon 3000, we will get welcome to the home page. And if we go to localhost colon 3000/users, we will see two object arrays. Like first one is with ID 1 and Alex, and second one is ID 2 and this name Jane. So this is our object array of object. This is array of object, okay, with the key pair values. This is ID's key and its value is its key pair value. Okay, so now let's run this code. Let's see. .js. Now I have to slash users for different. Okay, so what I will do is to put here only welcome to homepage, and when I updated with /users, it will show me why it comes on host housing or /users only. Users enter. Okay, so as we can see, we are getting the object like ID equal to 1, name Alex, and ID 2 print them. Okay, so this is what this code is all about. Getting get handler. Now handling post request. The post method sends data to the server, typically when creating a new record. Actually, from post servers, we can send data to the server. Now, this is a middleware. App.use express.json is here, is using as a middleware. We learned the concept of middleware in yesterday class. Now app.post, what it is doing, it in request.body, it is taking a raw JSON file and update to the server. And then it will show the status 201 and send the new username to our backend. So now let's try to run this code. So that
Once after executing this code, and hand over this call to someone else.
okay, sir. Now I just put this. We have app.get here. I will remove this get here and change it with this. Okay. So let's see what it's giving to us. Control C. If I save the file, wait. It is running on 3000. So it to 3000 only. Welcome to page. Okay, so as we are getting it through slash, we are getting the output as welcome to home page. So it is showing here welcome to home page. Now app.use a middleware which is for I haven't copied the pack.
Complete code you have not copied.
Okay. Let's see. Actually, I think it's not opened properly. Okay, now. So what we will do, we will execute this. Projects. Okay, so my server is running at this. Welcome to homepage. Now, if I put here /users, it will show nothing because we haven't put anything there. But let me run it. Okay, so it's not showing anything. So what we will
It's
have
a
to do?
post request.
Yes, it's a post request. So what we'll have to do, we have to go to Postman or any other. Actually, Postman is now known as Hotspot. We will earlier called it Postman. So, but I have installed Postman. So let me go to my Postman section. And what I will do there in rec.body means in body section, I will provide them a content what I have to show here. For example, let me go to first my Postman. Okay, now first of all, I have to apply the post method on which site I will provide it here, colon 3000 slash. And now this is my which was it profile or not? Users user section. Okay, now I will click on my body section. In body, I will provide raw data in JSON. So for example, name Vansh and age I can change till 20. Now, when I send it, it is saying here new user Vansh added successfully. Okay. If we can also see this app.use, okay, but I think for seeing it here, we have to put also a get request here. Wait a minute. App.get. Okay. So, and then here slash users and then it rec dot res and arrow function. Okay, so here I can get res dot send 201 and this. Because we have to uh, get it on our browser also, so I am using get handler because only by this we can get the full executed code. Now I have saved the file. Okay. Running it again. Okay. Go to Postman section. Here I send it again. And now let's see what is happening here. Localhost 3000 users not working. Okay, sorry, it's user. Well, let me do it a user created. So as we can see here, it is coming as created. User created, but user is not defined. Actually, I have to change something in this code in tactical parent. Proper section in fixes app.get. The name John. I want to change some data. Browse. Okay, so this is the fixed version because the code we have copied is incomplete as it is showing here only in Postman. For getting it in browser, we have to also the get method here. Let me first run. If that works correctly, then we will change it. Now Control C. My Node.js server is running. I will go to Postman. It is users, profile user. Okay. I will change this to successfully. Now let me go to my this. Okay, so now let me explain the code first. What we are doing in our get section, we know if we go to localhost colon 3000, we will get welcome to the home page. Okay, now here come post section. In post, we have to send the data to server. So to provide data to server, we are using our Postman. So what this code is doing, it is creating a new user using request.body section. Okay, so I will go to my Postman, and now in body section here, I am providing it a JSON in which my name and my age. So when I send this to server. Actually, from sending here, it goes to server. Now we also have to see this on browser. Okay, so how can we display the same data in browser? So for getting that data, what I am doing, I am using app.get method /on/user using a callback function. Now, if user, I have posted something, only then it will show me json.new user, details of new users. Okay, so as we have posted through postman section, now if I will go to localhost 3000.user section, it will showing me the detail. So you can see I have name Vansh and age 20. This is what I have sent in my postman. Okay, so that's how it's running here. So the code which was provided on the website was just to see the post section. So for getting it on our browser, I have added app.get also, so that we can verify that what we are sending, we are receiving or not. Get it?
Okay.
Okay,
So
Manoj.
I have pasted the code in the chat section. You can get it from here. There is no difference in this code and the code earlier I was copied from website. Just we have added app.get/user section, which will show the output on browser as well. Okay. Try to run at your site so that it will be good. We will understand it. You can use whatever you want to use, Postman, Hodgepodge, whatever it is.
Hopscotch.
Hodgepodge. Okay.
No, it's Coco ice cream.
What?
I think I was saying it's Coco ice cream.
I think everyone has installed it yesterday or not? Hodgepodge.
No one.
No, and we don't know how to
Haven't.
install it.
Okay. So during the break time or in evening, you will install that, because I have already installed Postman. So Ritesh have, I think, installed Hodgepodge, so he will guide you how to install that.
There is no
Please,
need to
please
install
guide us.
Hopscotch. We just
Okay.
visit the site and
Ritesh,
that's
please guide
Guide
us.
us. Guide us.
Ritesh,
Okay.
please
He's
share your
saying,
screen and guide us.
just visit the site hopscotch.io and you need to just download an extension on your Chrome browser.
Ritesh, please, the
No,
class
Please,
wants to guide
please
you.
no,
show
we are
us.
not understanding Ritesh. Please
Everyone
share your
wants.
screen
Please,
and guide us.
Ritesh, guide us.
Okay. On the huge demand of our classmates. Now I'm going to show. Just you have to go on hopscotch.io
Okay.
and here you will see this section and you have to download an extension. So just visit Chrome Web Store and I think here it should be hopscotch. Just download this and I think it will be done. Can anyone share his or her screen so that I can guide him? Because
Okay.
Okay,
yeah,
Ritesh.
Okay, Vaishnavi is sharing.
Yes, Ritesh, guide us.
just download the extension.
From where?
From the extension web store icon, just left side of the download section.
Here?
Yes, yes, yes. And manage extensions. And in the left side, Chrome Web Store. And search for hopscotch.
This?
Yes, yes.
Okay, Ritesh, thank you.
And go to your hopscotch.io and send the local request, localhost request from there.
Where? What I have to do?
From the tab which you have opened, hopscotch.io.
Yes.
Yes. And refresh this page. And from here, just type your URL, just like localhost 3000/users, whatever it is written on your code to send the
Here?
GET request. Yes, yes, yes.
Now send it.
Yes.
Change in body section.
Also, you have to change from get to post.
If you're posting something, you have to, yes. And write the date.
No, now
You have
in
also
body.
changed to the middleware, to the Chrome extension, Interceptor, just to the browser one.
What?
Below in the screen,
Yes,
you
yes,
have
yes.
to change the interceptor
Interceptor,
to the browser
browser
extension
extension.
1.7.
Fourth one.
Last one.
Ah,
Last
yes, I
one.
clicked.
Inside,
Now go
inside
to
the body
raw
section.
section.
What?
In body section, you have to JSON data. You have to enter the body data, what you want to
Content.
post.
Yes, yes. Content type where it is written none, just application/JSON. Select the first one. Yes, yes. And right here the raw data. Let me share in the chat box like this.
Okay.
And send the refresh. It is a redirect.
I sent it, but
Vaishnavi, actually, restart your Node.js, Node space app.js. Execute the code again. Yes. Controls. Okay, now post the data, send the data from hopscotch. Scotch. Yes. Okay, now go to this and Flash users not working.
Just go back. It was showing that new user has been created. Just in the
yes,
response body, yes. That means your post request has been sent.
Vaishnavi, the code I have sent it in chat box. Chat box. Are you using that?
Yes.
Okay, then it should show. Okay, app.user. Go to app.3000 colon user, not users.
Okay. Yes, now it's working.
You have post request on slash users and get request on user. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay.
that's it. Now
Okay.
anyone can share their screen and go ahead. Who wants to continue, guys?
Anyone interested?
Ritesh will continue. Ritesh?
I think you should continue from here.
No, I have done.
Yesterday I also did. I think we should give fair chance to others also.
Yes,
Yes.
before
Yes.
only performing,
Yes.
so
Yes.
let's give to others. So today,
Yes.
Artika, will you try?
Yes, Artika, you try. We are here to support you also.
Yes, Artika. Abhinandan?
Karthika, are you able to hear us?
Yes,
Yes,
Artika is.
So Artika,
Yeah.
would you try today presenting your screen?
Can I present tomorrow?
Okay, no problem.
Okay. So today,
Okay.
Abhinandan?
Abhinandan?
Abhinandan, are you there?
Abhinandan is there.
On
But he is not. What?
Abhinandan,
Abhinandan, present your
you are
screen.
ignoring us?
I
Hello,
am
Abhinandan.
present. I will do on tomorrow
What?
if possible.
Abhinandan.
Apeksha? Hello, Apeksha. Apeksha,
Are you there?
Apeksha. Apeksha,
Miss Apeksha Shukla. Are you there?
Apeksha.
Are you able to hear us? Because we are not able.
Rupam
Rupam
is
wants
saying
to.
something.
Rupam wants to continue.
No, she is traveling. She can't.
So Apeksha, Vaishnavi Singh, Vaishnavi Singh.
She's saying Vaishnavi.
Vaishnavi Singh, our class representative. We want to represent here. We want you to represent. Vaishnavi, are you there?
Vaishnavi.
Hello, Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi.
Vaishnavi Singh, Vaishnavi Singh. No one is there. Ishita, you must continue.
Yes, Ishita.
No,
You are the
today I
last
will.
option.
Vishal is left.
Oh, हाँ, Vishal is left.
Sandeep also.
संदीप अरे तुम्हें नहीं है यार संदीप
संदीप खाना खा रहा है.
सारे काम मीटिंग के टाइम ही होते हैं क्या एक
विशाल
आदमी
सो
ट्रेवल
गया है.
कर रहा है एक आदमी खाना खा रहा है संदीप छोड़ के ही चला गया मीटिंग बुरा मान गया लग रहा है
गुस्सा हो गया.
नेटवर्क
खाने में डिस्टर्ब किया तुमने.
आ गया संदीप भाई.
Sandeep is now presenting.
Sandeep bhai, welcome to the show. Vishal. No one is responding.
No,
Ishita,
no, I
you
am
continue.
responding. I am responding.
You respond. Sorry.
No, no, I'm responding. Yes. What?
You can continue now.
Not at all, because I am facing some major problems in doing Express.js, so it would not be beneficial for the meeting. So I am trying to fix errors.
So,
I'm facing that again and again, so it would be killing the time for the meeting.
what are the errors you are facing right now?
Many errors. I can't even recall what errors I am facing. So
If you want, you can share
right
so
now,
that we can help you.
okay, I would be take your help after meeting, because it would be killing every 3 times, all 12. My hopscotch is also not, so I am also fixing it. That can you fix it?
Yeah, if you want, you can share your screen. We will try our best.
Not right now. I would be contacting you after one.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
No, no, no. आज मेरे को
Vansh,
भंडारा
what was
भी
the
जाना
topic
भाई.
where you left?
Put handle. Continue
Yes,
from put.
put head.
Handling put request. Continue करना.
Pending put request. There it is. Actually, I don't have any idea about Express.js. That's why I don't want to say.
Don't worry, we are there
No
to help
problem.
you.
We can help you running the code.
Handling put request.
Your screen is not shared, I guess.
Yes. Wait. Wait. Express.js response method speak na. Vansh. Vansh.
Express.js router handler.
Okay, okay.
Router parameter sections there.
Handling get request.
Yes, after that post request,
Then
you have
put
to start from put.
But Vansh, I don't have Postman or Hopscotch, so I will not be able to run the codes.
Okay, I'm sharing my screen.
Okay.
Screen is visible.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Vaishnavi.
Now we have to continue from handling put request. You use a put request to update existing data, and the following examples uses the router parameter ID to identify the user's record that need updating. Okay, now we have to change our code from post.
Hello, Vaishnavi.
Yes.
In your app.get/user section, also update, share your screen there. This also update this new user to update data. Rest.status 2200.json.
Yes.
Instead of new user, use update data, because here is now your data is coming in put section. Okay.
Okay. Now it's okay.
See, yeah, it should be same as the variable name. Okay, fine. Now go ahead and put the request.body with the put data and send it. No,
Now we, I think, have to change the
no,
data.
no. Yes, you have to change the post also in left, right corner, left upper corner. Yes, now you can do it.
Change the name.
No, you don't have to. We are seeing an example.
It's showing no user data available.
Can you please share the code? Don't share. Let us see the code. Because Vaishnavi, app.put/user/id. You have to give users and ID
Okay.
also. Okay. In your hopscotch also.
Okay. Yes, now it's updated.
Yes. Now go
Here,
to localhost. Now here also you have to visit the same. No, sorry, only user. Only user. Try only user.
no user data is available.
Okay, so just uh, rerun the code from starting. Okay, now do it in once.
Here we have sent the data. It's showing updated successfully.
Okay. Now localhost colon 3000/users. User data available. Okay, let me see the code again.
Code is here.
Input section, I have update data.
Here also we have to change it to update data.
Yes. Sorry, I don't see that. Do it update data because it's not checking the condition.
Sorry.
Okay. Uh,
It's showing error.
I think you have to update.
It's showing your code.
No, you have to run it again because you have changed. No?
It's running automatically. I think my code has.
Now send the data again.
Okay. The update data is not defined.
Copy your code, go to ChatGPT and ask to fix this error. Vaishnavi, I think I get the error.
What it is?
If in if condition you have used updated data, it's update data.
Here?
Oh, no, sorry, it's updated. It's updated, then why it's not what ChatGPT is showing?
It's changed the code. 1 minute. I'm just seeing it's running or not. Now it's running. The code
Yes.
has changed.
Ask what the difference between both the codes.
Okay. Here the updated data is on the request body, but that code has changes to updated data to null. That's why when we change,
Okay, we have initialized updated data to null. I think
yes,
go to your VS Code, show us the code earlier. Okay, earlier code was not there.
1 minute I'm showing. The earlier here was updated data with a request body.
Okay. We can see here that see let new user is null. We have to convert this new user to also updated data.
Yes.
Okay, that's was the problem.
1 minute, I have to change my code. Now it's running properly. Okay, I'm sharing the code in the chat. Please everyone try this. It's running on their system or not. Done?
Wait a minute, Vaishnavi, I'm running it.
Okay.
Others also try to resolve the issue at their end.
The problem has resolved that they are trying that it's running on their system or not.
Okay.
Yes, it's running.
Okay, Ritesh.
Yes, Vaishnavi, now running.
Okay. Continue.
Yes.
Handling put request, then it's handling delete request. When we have to delete request removes the data from the server. Here how we can delete the data. Okay. That's
Yes, now it's done.
yes. Everyone, please try this.
Done.
Sorry for. Okay, next is chaining root handler. In express.js, we can chain our root handler for a same path, but in a different HTTP method. This method eliminates the redundancy when the defining root for a similar path using app.root. We can group multiple method get, post, put for a single endpoint, keeping the code clean and easy to manage. It's using get, post, and put method together. Okay. Let's try this. The new user has created. User is updated. Actually, we can use anyone.
Yes,
It's running.
it's
Okay.
working fine. Yeah.
We will get the same because it's one command has only fetching user data. We are getting this. Okay, let's continue to next. Now express.js response method. In the first response method is response send, in which we just send the message hello express by the get command. So here, yeah, it's done. Hello express. Okay.
Yes.
Next is response.json, in which we will pass the name and age like that and get the output. Here it's user, pass the user, and we getting the output name Alex and age 30 as per the data we have sent here.
Yes.
Okay. Next is response send file. The response send file method sends the file as response. It requires an absolute path to the file on the server. Here we passing the path, required path, and then we use get, in which we using the example.pdf we have already created in it.
Yes, yes.
Example.pdf is created, so just use the code. For its download. Okay.
Folder name I think
Then
also
we have to
changed.
make a folder. Name files. In this, we have to move this example. And now when we do may run, see, because our example.pdf is empty, that's why it's showing like this. Otherwise, it open the PDF. Okay.
Okay.
And now it's a response.status. The response.status method sets the HTTP status code for response. We can chain it with other response method like response send or response JSON to specify the status code along with the data. Here the status and 404 and send page not found when it's showing the error message. So let's try this on. And now when we go to our here error, the page is not found. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, next is response redirect. Response redirect method sends a redirect response instructing the client to navigate to a different URL. Okay, when we will get to old page, then it will redirect to the new page. Old page. It directly redirecting to a new page. Okay. Because new page is empty, that's why it's showing nothing. We are entering to old page, but it's redirecting us to the new page. What the actually code says.
Yes.
So we can also pass the code status specify whether we redirect in a permanent 301 or temporary 302 default. It's actually the same. Here we are using the old page and redirecting to new page. Here we will keep the temp redirect, and here we redirecting to the temporary. Should I try this or move forward?
Yes, we can go forward because we have already done it
Yes.
multiple times. Actually, we have many of them we are running in get post method also. These are using there.
Okay. Response render. The response and the method renders a view template, example EJS, bug and handlebars, and sends the resulting HTML to client. Yeah, approach setting. Let's see what it's going to show. Profile. Okay. It's showing that we have the EJS file is here. Why it's failing on the Express app view?
I think you have not created a profile.js file in
EJS.
the views section because you are rendering profile.js file and have not created in this folder.
Yes.
What,
Yeah.
Ritesh?
I think you should create a profile.ejs file in the views folder because by you from your code you are rendering that.
Okay, Ritesh, 1 second. Here I have to create a profile
Yes, profile.ejs.
EJS. Okay.
Yes, and
Yes.
put some HTML code or whatever code you want.
Let's put some- Okay, now it's running.
Yes, now it's running.
Yes. Now it's working.
Hmm.
Okay. Good.
Now it's response.set. The response.set method sets the HTTP headers for response. It's successful when we need to modify or add the header. Okay. That's it. And then next is response.end. The response.end method ends the response process without sending any data. It's successful if it's successful when we need to control the flow manually. Why it's not working? Anyone try this?
I
And
think we have given the path reference. Uh, 1 minute, show your code, Vaishnavi.
okay, here's the code.
Launch path, required path. You are running at end or something else?
So I'm running at end, but it's not taking at end.
Uh,
See what it's doing. It's removing end again and again.
okay, so do one thing, change end to some another variable because it's get method, so we can access anything.
What should I do?
ABC, do whatever you want. Okay, save the file.
It's not take.
Uh,
Let's check
wait.
what does this means, because
Have you copied the whole code?
no,
I think something is missing in this code.
from here it's just a simple this code only.
The rest dot end method end the response process without sending any data. It's useful when you need to control the flow manually. Paste the VS code here.
This complete code.
Yes, yes. And now try to ask what it should do and how its output look like.
Where we are, Vaishnavi? What we are doing?
Sir, we are working on a response method in Express.js. We are at response end.
Okay. Fine. Go ahead.
Yes. Okay, we are getting a blank page only. And here also we're getting a blank page itself.
Yes, I think this is
I-
correct. You can move to res.format.
Yes.
I think it is executing. I have just
Yes.
added a console.log and I have printed something and it is executing. Let me show you.
Okay, please,
Okay.
Ritesh.
I have just added line number 26 and line number 28 so that I can clearly see whether this is running or not. So I have just opened it and typed there and there is no such changes, but in my console window, in my terminal, as I am saying, as I am seeing that in point 8
Okay, it's
that in
running.
this line is getting, and after that this 28th line is also running. That means this is code is also working.
Okay, okay.
Yes, yes.
Can you show your output screen, Ritesh, once?
Mm, I think this is the output here because it was just
Yeah. Yes.
stopping us from making any changes. So That was where I have.
We get a blank page. Yeah. it
Okay,
will use
Ritesh,
the
I got
HTML.
it.
Yes, if we will write here, that will stay remain on the same page.
Yes, Ritesh, it's done.
Okay.
Thank you. Next is response format. Sorry. Share the screen. Here I'm also getting the output it sent. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's continue from response format. The response format method allows the UV to send different responses based on the client's accept header. It's successful for the content negotiation where the client accept different content type. Okay, then HTML response. Okay, we are using the text or slash HTML, that's why it's showing HTML response output. If we use as a plain text, then we will get the plain text response, or if when we use a JSON, we will get the JSON response. Here we are using HTML, so the output is coming HTML response.
Yes.
Okay.
The conclusion: in this tutorial, we have explored the most commonly used response method, including send, JSON status, and more. These methods allow us to effectively handle the various HTTP response, whether you are sending data, files, or redirecting users. Understanding these methods is essential for building the dynamic web applications that communicate properly with clients.
Okay,
Next
so this
What one?
no, this section is completed now. Next one.
Yes.
We have to
Are
start it right now or after break.
asked to, sir? Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes.
So we have to continue to after routing to middleware, or take do it after
After
second?
break. Or
How much we have covered?
Okay, sir, we have covered the routing today.
We have covered the routing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Then fine, we can wrap up the call. We are good here. We
Okay,
will
sir.
continue on in evening session. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you,
Bye.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.